India's Supreme Court rejected the legalization of same-sex marriage, causing disappointment among LGBTQ+ couples and activists. However, experts point out that same-sex unions have historical roots in India, contrary to the notion that they are a recent Western import. Historian Ruth, Vanita and Saleem Kidwai collected evidence of same-sex love and romantic friendship in ancient and medieval India, challenging the idea of persecution. Depictions of homosexuality can be found in temples and Mughal chronicles, reflecting the acceptance of diverse forms of love in Indian society. Chief Justice DY Chandrachud acknowledged that queerness is a natural phenomenon known to India since ancient times, while Justice SK Kaul highlighted that same-sex unions were recognized in antiquity as relationships fostering love, emotional support, and mutual care. The influence of Victorian ideals during British colonial rule in India caused a shift in attitudes towards sex and love. Still, ancient texts like the Kama Sutra mention same-sex relationships, suggesting that such practices existed in earlier times. The media has reported contemporary same-sex marriages, but these unions lack legal recognition. Some lower-income, non-English-speaking couples have married by Hindu rites since the 1980s, making them pioneers in the fight for marriage equality. The Supreme Court's decision to leave the legalization of same-sex marriage to the Parliament reflects a divided public opinion in India. While there is growing support for marriage equality, India remains one of the few countries where petitioners for marriage equality span the political spectrum. The movement's success ultimately depends on a shift in public opinion and anti-discrimination rules. India currently lags behind the 34 countries that have already legalized same-sex marriages.